TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, is at the forefront of chip manufacturing, and their roadmap reveals exciting developments. TSMC's roadmap promises intense competition in the quest for the most advanced chips, with innovations spanning from 3 nanometers to 1.6 nanometers nodes. The competition to produce the world's most advanced chips is fierce, and TSMC's product roadmap promises that the battle for supremacy will be intense. First, its performance-optimized N3P node is coming, set to enter mass production in the second half of 2024 and will be the company's most advanced node for a while. TSMC has scheduled its performance-optimized N3P node to enter mass production in the second half of 2024. N3X, N2, N2P and A16 nodes are coming in 2025 and 2026. TSMC's first use of gate-all-around (GAA) nanosheet transistors in N2. N3P node, performance-optimized 3 nanometers. Scheduled for mass production in the second half of 2024. TSMC's most advanced node for a while, expected to accelerate the advantages of N3P. Next generation nodes. N3X, 3nm class, tailored for high-performance computing applications, maximum voltage of 1.2 V. Offers options to reduce power consumption, increase performance, or enhance transistor density. N2, 2nm class. Features gate-all-around (GAA) nanosheet transistors, a first for TSMC, designed for mobile and wearable applications. Ultra-thin stacked nanosheets for energy-efficient computing. Backside power rail for improved performance. Future nodes. In 2026, TSMC will introduce 2 more nodes, N2P, 2nm class, and A16, 1.6 nm class. N2P, 2nm class, expected to deliver 5% to 10% lower power or higher performance compared to N2.NO backside power delivery network. A16, 1.6 nm class, ideal for HPC, high-performance computing, products with complex signal routes and dense power delivery networks.
As we push the boundaries of scaling and advanced logic technology, TSMC is well on our way to go beyond FinFET and commercialize the 2 nanometer node for high-volume manufacturing. Introducing N2, the best-in-class logic technology featuring nanosheet transistors. N2 offers a full node advancement with a 10 to 15% increase in performance and a 25 to 30% increase in power efficiency, helping our customers unleash innovation like never before. Along with exceptional low VDD performance, perfect for mobile and wearable applications, N2's ultra-thin stacked nanosheets deliver a new level of energy-efficient computing for HPC. In addition, backside power rail will also be added to boost performance even further. N2 features a unique wide range of device driving strength to enable fine-grained speed and power optimization, allowing product designs tailored to suit a variety of customer needs. With the added complexity of nanosheet fabrication, it's vital to manage technology productization effectively. TSMC's unrivaled manufacturing capability makes N2 the strategic choice for customers looking to access the unparalleled benefits of nanosheet technology. TSMC's N2. Welcome to the new frontier.